Hi, are you ready for math? I'm ready for math. Okay, let's get started with our calendar. And my calendar that I found at home is a missionary calendar. So if you wanted to pray for a family, this pastor's family is Pastor Matthew Westra, and he is the pastor at Living Promise Church in Morristown, Tennessee. So you can pray that his mission church grows and grows and grows so more people can hear about Jesus. Anyway, there's the calendar. And we usually have to figure out what day it is, but this one already has it on there. So this is Wednesday, as you see, because Wednesday is up here and we're in the month of August. It said August back here. So August is on the top over here, and it's the year 2020 again. So please say all that with me, and the number down here is the 26th. So let's do that. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. So we're already on our fifth day of school. And if we were at school, we'd put up another one of those little arrows. We'll decide exactly how we do that when we get back to school. Okay, so you guys are doing a great job. We've gotten through up to 5. So let's count to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. We are ready to go, and we get to use the pattern blocks again. So you want to take out the bag that has these shapes in it. I have a whole bunch of them here. I am going to see if you can still see them if I line them up down here. I think so. I will try to move the camera just a little bit. There you go. You can see them. As you see, I have them on the table here. And we'll talk about them in just a minute. Hope you got yours out. We will start way over here on the far side. Does anybody remember from Monday? This is a parallelogram. And a parallelogram has two sides, two sets of sides that are parallel. That means when these lines go straight out, they would never touch. That's what parallel means. And these two lines, when they go straight out, would never touch either. And so that's what parallel is. So it has two sets of parallel lines, and so it's called a parallelogram. What color is our parallelogram? You're right, it's blue. So we have blue parallelograms. And what color is this? Yes, yellow. And this has how many sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. That means it's a hexagon. Can you say that with me? Hexagon. So 6 sides and it's yellow. That's our hexagon. And this one has one set of parallel lines. The top line and the bottom line on this one are parallel. And then there are lines connecting it. And we call that a trapezoid. Say that with me. Trapezoid. And this one is red. So we have a red trapezoid. And Tegan remembered on Monday, or figured it out, that if you put 2 of these trapezoids together, you get a hexagon. It was so cool that Tegan figured that out already on the first day of pattern blocks. So we'll look at that today too and see if you can do it with any other shapes. Okay, and after the trapezoid is this one, and I think everybody knows what this is. So can you say it? Did you say square? Yes. And what color is it? Orange. So we have an orange square. Squares are the same length on every side, and there are 4 sides and 4 corners. And the corners are what we call square corners. So they meet, and they're what we call perpendicular. That's a fancy word for it kind of makes a T. Okay, and this one, I think you all know what this is also. This is a triangle, and it's what color? Green. So green triangle. We have a few different colors of green triangles. So yours might be this dark green like mine. They might be a medium green. They might be a light green. So any one of those, they're still triangle. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 points and 1, 2, 3 sides. So that makes it a triangle. And the last one It looks kind of like a skinny diamond, but it is a rhombus. And it can be either tan or white. I think I tried to make everybody's tan. So these are the rhombuses, and they kind of look like a skinny diamond. So now you can pause the video, and I want you to try to make something different than you made on Monday, and use the ones that you have and see what you can make. I am going to pause my video and see if I can make something, and then I'll show you when I'm done too.